I'm Laura and I'm from MIG Training, and welcome to our Maintain, Clean and Disinfect series. I'm going to show you how to clean your workstation and your reception area in your salon or barber shop.
So I'm wearing gloves and a gown, and I'm using some Windex to wipe down my mirrors, remove any hair and products that may have been sprayed. Then I'm giving the bench and the chair a quick wipe down with a disinfectant wipe. This needs to be done before and after every client. Now I'm just setting up my station for my next client, getting my clean towels, gowns and equipment all ready and laid out. And then I'm making sure I don't have any excess clutter on the bench and putting away clean linen. I'm now just on my reception area and I'm giving it a good wipe down with my disinfectant wipe, going over all surfaces that are commonly touched. This should be done after each client and any time that you touch anything. I keep my gloves on for this just so that I don't develop any allergies or reactions to the disinfectant wipe. Making sure to get my retail shelves behind and wiping the tops and all the bottles so that everything is always nicely presented. I did manage to have a spill, so I've just mopped that up with a absorbent towel and just making sure that I get rid of all my excess moisture. And then I'm using my disinfectant wipe and I'm displaying a slippery when wet floor sign to warn workers and customers coming in. And at the end of the day, and sometimes through the day if it's been quite busy, I give it a good vacuum just to make sure I don't have any slipping hazards, getting rid of any hair that's floating around, and making sure to pull your chair in and out. And now I'm preparing my mop. So I do this at the end of the day, so I'm just going to get some disinfectant in some hot water and give it a good mop around the area. That way it's nice and clean and tidy and it's ready for the next day. Once you finish mopping, display your sign to keep everybody safe and make sure that you put your cleaning products away.